Here's problem 1 from the 2010 AMC 8. At Euclid High School, the mathematics teachers are Mrs. Germain, Mr. Newton, and Mrs. Young. There are 11 students in Mrs. Germain's class, 8 in Mr. Newton's class, and 9 in Mrs. Young's class taking the AMC 8 this year. How many mathematics students at Euclid High School are taking the contest? The choices are 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Each teacher's class contributes some students, and no student is counted twice. So we simply add the 3 class counts together. Mrs. Germain has 11 students, Mr. Newton has 8, and Mrs. Young has 9. Adding them up, 11 plus 8 is 19, and 19 plus 9 is 28. So 28 mathematics students are taking the contest. The answer is 28. Which is choice C?